Oh,
Hey,
yeah, man.
how goes it?
Oh, man. Today was crazy.
Oh, yeah, how so?
Did you know there's a cashew allergy going around?
You know, I think I heard about that.
This kid had a little red mark on his arm right here. And it started growing a little bit and it stopped. I said, ma'am, please stop feeding your kid cashews.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, the mom was freaking.
Yeah.
I put a little Neosporin on it, took it right down. Crazy shit we see here, right?
Yeah.
It's the craziest thing you've ever seen here.
Craziest thing?
Yeah.
I'll take you back to my first summer, 2009. I witnessed a family come in to celebrate a birthday, ex-husband included. The ex stabs a spork right into the new boyfriend's eye. But the new boyfriend has a Glock. Shoots the man directly in the chest. They both die from their injuries.
That was in a movie?
No, that was right over here. Actually.
Near the Botanical Garden?
Yeah. But you know, allergies are really tough to handle. Can't be too careful.
No. Oh, spirit clock somewhere.